Hey, you want to learn how to do a half lap joint? All right, let's do it. Follow along.
First things first, we want to know the thickness of our boards that we're going to be cutting for the half lap. So here we're just over 3/4. That's right at the 3/4 mark there. And now we're going to cut that in half to get our measurement for the table saw blade. So you want it to just basically rub right along that tooth and not see any rays out of your measuring device here. You can, just hold like a tape measure up to here, but I like to be as specific as I can, so hopefully we can be right on. The distance of your half lap joint is actually going to be the width of your material. So you want to line it up just like so. And then as we go with our miter gauge, we'll start right on the fence, make our initial cut, and then work our way back. I'll usually just take them out with a chisel here, clean up. As far as glue up goes, I like to get a little bit on the lip and then right on the piece itself, of course. And I just kind of dab it. There's a lot of controversy about how much glue you should use. I like to have enough that'll squeeze out just a little bit, but not leave me with an overbearing amount. Then you take a clamp, and you let her sit. Now that the glue is dried, one of the things I like to do just to help kind of reinforce the joint is take a dowel. You drill all the way through the joint, put your dowel in there. Flush out some trims off. You got some glue here. A little bit of sand. There we go. So this is white oak wood with a red oak dowel. Not a ton of contrast, but I mean, this joint it's not going to go anywhere for quite a while. So yeah, that's a half lap.